More than a decade after its dramatic debut, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R continues to stand as one of the most extreme motorcycles ever built. And in 2026, its relevance has not faded. Instead, it has become something more powerful than a product, a benchmark. When Kawasaki introduced the H2R in 2015, it wasn't merely launching a motorcycle. It was unleashing a technological statement that redefined what a production machine could be. At the heart of the H2R's enduring appeal lies its supercharged 998 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, an engineering masterpiece developed alongside Kawasaki's aerospace division, producing around 310 horsepower and up to 326 horsepower with ram air. It delivers a level of performance that even modern superbikes struggle to match. In more recent refinements, output can approach 350 horsepower under optimal conditions, pushing the boundaries of internal combustion engineering further than most manufacturers dare to attempt. Performance figures remain staggering even by today's standards. The H2R can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.4 seconds and reach top speeds approaching or even exceeding 400 kilometers per hour in controlled conditions. These numbers are not just impressive, they are symbolic. They reinforce the H2R's role as one of the fastest motorcycles ever created, a machine that continues to dominate conversations about ultimate speed. Yet, raw power alone does not explain its lasting significance. The Ninja H2R was built using aerospace-inspired carbon fiber aerodynamic winglets and a trellis frame engineered for extreme stability. These innovations weren't simply about speed, they were about control, precision, and redefining motorcycle engineering. Many technologies and lessons from the H2R have influenced the broader hypersport category, proving its impact extends far beyond its limited production numbers. What truly keeps the H2R relevant in 2026, however, is its philosophy. Unlike most modern motorcycles that balance performance with practicality, the H2R remains unapologetically focused on pushing limits. It was never designed for the street. It was designed to answer a single question: how far can engineering go when compromise is removed? Today, as the motorcycle industry begins shifting toward electrification and efficiency, the Ninja H2R stands as a monument to the peak of combustion performance. It represents the ultimate expression of mechanical ambition, a reminder of an era when manufacturers dared to build machines not because they had to, but because they could. In 2026, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is no longer just a motorcycle. It is a legacy in motion,